Yeah, so my name's Marcus Sorensen. I'm co-founder and CEO of Blue Coolers. Blue Coolers we're a manufacturer of high-end, heavy-duty 10-day ice coolers and some other outdoor products as well. But that is our primary product that we provide, and we sell that wholesale as well as direct-to-consumer through Shopify, and that's been a big part of our business. It's been a steady growth trajectory. We started the company in 2018 and then quit our jobs in 2019, my business partner and I. And we've had steady growth since then. Just recently, in the last month, we acquired another outdoor products company called Caddis Sports, and we now have merged the two businesses together, or in the process of doing that. Well, a lot of our consumers that use our products go use it in the outdoors, right? So they're camping, hunting, fishing, traveling in general, and it becomes a big part of what they do. So it's fun to see our product being put to good use. In building our website, we knew we wanted to have a professional, customer-facing website that would tell the story of our brand. We had to look for tools through the Shopify store that could help us accomplish that, and GemPages was a big part of that process and allowing us to build customized pages that had a professional look and would tell the story of our brand and products that we wanted to tell. Ultimately, we landed on GemPages for our initial landing page that we're using in our Facebook ads, and worked pretty well. So that then evolved into using GemPages to help build a lot of our custom product pages, and then ultimately we used it on our homepage as well. GemPages help mostly with our conversion rate in building the website in a way where we can capture traffic and convert it into paying customers. That's always our biggest concern when designing the site is it built to help people easily go from visiting the site to buying a product. Ultimately, that's the goal. And we need to be able to build web pages, product pages in the website that is easy to navigate, that has information that can be easily understood and processed, and that it's not confusing for a consumer on how to, once they choose to actually purchase a product, on how to do that it's very quick, concise, and clear as to what they need to do. I would say the biggest adjustment that we noticed, the biggest boost we saw was early in our business. We were not seeing a lot of success with our Facebook ad campaigns. We were driving a lot of traffic, but we weren't getting people to convert into buyers. So as we built what we decided to do was build a landing page for the traffic from Facebook specifically to initially land on the landing page, so we can continue to tell the story from the ads. It was a continuous message from the ad to the landing page to help the customer feel like this is the same company that I saw the ad from. It's not a scam. It's not a fake company. This is a real company. They can learn about the product more, and then at that point choose to move on to the next step, which was going to a product page, adding to cart, converting, and checking out. And building that landing page, which we use GemPages to do, was a big important step in helping improve that conversion rate and taking that ad traffic from just site visitors to actually ultimately paying customers. We save thousands, I'm sure thousands of dollars easily by not going out and hiring custom website developer, but instead using GemPages and other tools to build the site on our own. And we did not spend a ton of time learning it, and pretty user-friendly, pretty intuitive, and we were able to just start using it and build the site. I mean, and anybody that, I think if you have a a reasonable amount of experience working with apps and site builders and so on, then it's pretty straightforward. I think it's been a consistent, reliable tool. There haven't been a lot of changes that would cause us to have to revise our existing templates or product pages or builds, and there have been a few subtle improvements here and there, but for the most part we haven't experienced any major disruptions or major updates that have caused any disruptions in our business, and that's been helpful too.